Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. I built a new project, a NIST CSF 2.0 compliance dashboard for AWS. In the next few minutes, you'll see how this tool gives a clear security report card for an AWS environment and why that's useful for your team. Most companies now run important systems in the cloud, especially on AWS. They are under pressure from customers, regulators, and sometimes the board to prove they are following recognized security standards, not just best effort security. One of the most widely used standards is NIST CSF 2.0, updated in 2024 to include 6 key functions: govern, identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. The challenge is that teams rarely have a quick, repeatable way to check. How are we actually doing against this framework in our real-time AWS accounts? I built a small focus tool to solve exactly that. Here's what it does in simple terms. It connects to an AWS account, read-only access, runs about 20 security checks across services like user accounts, logging, threat detection, backups, and so on, maps each result to one of the 6 NIST CSF 2.0 functions, including the newer govern function, which focuses on leadership and accountability for cyber risk. At the end, it generates a CSV report. You can open an Excel that shows what's passing, what's failing, and what to fix, essentially a security report card for that AWS environment. Now, let me run the program and show you exactly how it works. Okay, so if you see here, it ran all the 6 NIST CSF 2.0 checks: govern, identify, protect, detect, respond, recover. And it went through the IAM password policy, root account MFA, and bunch of other checks. And then it totals everything. So in govern, 3 out of 4 passed. In identify, 2 out of 4 passed. In protect, 3 out of 4 passed. Detect, 2 out of 4. Respond, 1 out of 3. Recover, 3 out of 3. So in total, 14 passed out of 22, and 5 failed, and 3 were unknown. So it also at the end creates compiles all this data into a CSV file, which you can open using Excel to see exactly what happened and what you can do about it. So here you see all the different NIST categories, the control ID, what the actual control was that the program checked with AWS, different AWS services that it connected with to see if they were compliant with the NIST CSF 2.0, their severity levels, and the status, whether they passed, fail, or couldn't get, don't know what exactly happened here. So the detail set tells you what the check was about, and if it failed, for example, this guy, govern, organization, failed, AWS organization is not configured, account is standalone. Since it's failed, it tells you what is the remediation step so that so that you can understand what exactly you need to do to make the fail into a pass. So what it's recommending here is create or join an AWS organization for centralized management. And for this, it's IAM access analyzer is not enabled, cannot detect unintended resource access. So for that, to remediate that, just enable IAM access analyzer in each region. So in a single glance, in less than 30 seconds, this program tells you whether you're compliant or not, and if you're not, what you need to do, and it gives you all the necessary steps that anyone can follow to get 100% pass rate. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching.